Your TikTok video might be good. The content is fine. The editing is okay, but it gets no views, no comments, no engagement. That's not because TikTok hates you. It's because your video gets no early signals. I am currently managing more than 1,000 TikTok accounts. Each account has its own dedicated proxy and separate email. So it's very safe and stable to use. To increase views and engagement, we go to the seeding function. Inside this section, we have live stream seeding, video seeding, and keyword seeding. All of these functions work in a similar way. In this example, I will run video seeding. Here, I paste about 3 video links. You can go to Google, search for TikTok, then copy the video link or video UID, and paste it here. You can choose to run them in order or randomly. Next, select the actions like and comment. After that, choose the accounts you want to use and simply click Start. That's it.